Happy Monday, class. I would like to walk you through our first week of activities. In Google Classroom, you will find in the online learning unit, week 1 poetry. There are 2 files. Please open the first one titled week 1-ELA 8 poetry. Now, many of you have already sent me emails asking questions on how to do the Where I'm From template. Before you get to that, which is Friday's activity, I'd like you to work through the other ones. So take a look at your Monday activity, and it says Writer's Workshop. Please type your thoughts about poetry in this box. Include whether you like it or not. What experiences have you had with poetry? What do you remember about poetry in previous grades? Please know that I will be looking at spelling, grammar, punctuation, and capitalization. Again, your typing should begin with my thoughts. When you are done, you may continue working or Tuesday. On Tuesday, I want you to watch 3 different video clips. I have provided you the YouTube links. After you watch the video clip, please type your 2 to 3 sentence response right here. They are 3 different clips, and you should maybe recognize one of them, and if you don't, that's okay. Continuing on Wednesday, I would like you to go to the website poemhunter.com. Now, when you get to poemhunter.com, your task is to listen to at least 3 different poems and listen to each poem multiple times. On this website, you will see that you can click on poems about love, friendship. You can look at new poems, popular poets, and there is an area at the top that you can search for poems. So I'm going to click on friendship poems, and it gives me a list of poems off to the side. I can also scroll down and I can find a way to listen to them. If you can't find a way, you can type that poem title into YouTube. All right? The thing is that poetry is meant to be heard. So please find some poems that you can listen to. When you are done listening to that poem several times, go back to the Wednesday, and under poem number 1, please type the title of the poem. Then tell me why you chose to listen to that poem. If you're not sure, you can listen to my Annabel Lee poem that I listened to by Edgar Allan Poe and the reasons that I liked it. On Thursday, I would like you to listen to one of the 3 songs listed. Each of these songs are country songs by different country artists about where you're from. And for one of those songs, I would like you to find 5 specific details from the song that represent one of your 5 senses. Now, the song clips I've chosen each have the lyrics included, so you'll be able to see those. Finally, the second part of Thursday, you are watching a video poem titled Where I'm From. This is where the idea for the Where I'm From poem that you're going to start working on Friday comes from. In George Ella Lyon's poem, you will pull 3 of the most descriptive phrases from the poem. Then, on Friday, it says you will be able to write your own Where I'm From poem. And I've included the format back on Google Classroom. Try to complete at least 3 lines of this poem on Friday. You don't have to do them in order, but be sure that you do the ones you understand, and the ones you don't, send me a text or send me an email, which most of you are doing. I've also included an 8th grade example for you. Now I'm going to go to the Where I'm From template, which looks like this. You are ready to work on the Where I'm From poem that's all about you. You need to think about each of these lines individually. You will also need to refer back to the George Ella Lyon poem and the 8th grade example I have provided for you. I will be sending you another video audio clip that describes each of these poems on its own and each of these lines from this poem on its own. I hope this helps. If not, please feel free to send me another email. Have a good day. Bye, guys.